Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter 8 carts and wheels on page number 19. Find the center. Children, Sadik and Samina want to make circles for themselves. So Sadik made a circle with compass, whereas Samina traced a circle with bangle. They got two circles and they cut their circles with the help of scissor. Now children, we all know that the circle made with compass has center point, but the circle made with bangle does not have a center point. So children, shall we all make the center for the traced circle? Yes. Next we are going to find the center for the circle which we have traced. So let's do it. Now here I have made a circle with the compass and also I have traced a circle with bangle. Now children, we are going to cut these circle. We know children that the circle made with compass has a center. We can easily get the center for the circle made out of compass. But children, we do not know the center of the traced circle. So children, shall we try to find out the center of this traced circle? For this children, I will cut these two circles with the scissor. So I will have. Now children, this is the circle made with compass. It already has a center. So we are going to find the center to this traced circle. Now children, for this what we have to do is fold this circle like this. Like this we have to fold in two semicircles exactly overlapping one on one another. Then again children, we have to give it second fold like this and press it properly. Now children, here we will get the center of the circle. If you open it, you will find it children. Here this point is the center of the circle and we will name it O. Now children, you can trace a circle on a paper using a bangle. You have to cut it and then you yourself find the center of that circle. Understood children? Now the next. The next topic is balancing act. Can you balance a plate on your finger? Now children, whenever you think of balancing a plate on your finger, where does it balance? Yes, it balances at the center of the plate. Similarly children, you can balance a book on your finger. At the center of the book, if you keep your finger, you can balance it easily. So children, the balance of a plate is done at the center of a plate. Now children, spin the top. Now here there are four persons, Jhakir, Appu, Naina and Guddu. They were getting bored as it was raining, so they could not go out to play. So children, what they did? They started playing a game. They took a cardboard, traced a circle and cut it and made a hole and put a matchstick in it. So see children, in this way they did. And after doing this, everybody was excited to spin their tops. Now see children, here Jakir put the matchstick over here, Appu put it closer to the center, Naina put it to the one side of the circle and Guddu also put the matchstick to one side of the circle. Now children, they are asking you some questions on this. Now children, we saw that to spin the top, what is necessary, children? The matchstick should be put in the center of the circle. Now children, here, whose top will not spin at all? Out of these four, whose top will not spin at all, children? Yes, Zakir and Naina's top will not spin at all. Zakir and Naina's top will not spin at all. Why, children? Because they put the matchstick far away from the center. Now children, whose top will spin little? Yes, Guddu's top will spin little because he placed closer to the center. And children, whose top will spin the best? Yes, Appu's top will spin the best because it placed the matchstick exactly in the center. Now children, in whose top is that stick nearer to the center? In Appu's top. Now children, this is the activity that you are going to do it on your own. You also make your own top and play this game. Now children, to make the top spin well, where will you make the hole? Yes, you will make a hole in the center to make the top spin well. So this was all about circle, children. Here we end the lesson. Hope this lesson is understood by you. So children, bye. Have a nice time. In the next video, we will study chapter 9, halves and quarters. Till then, bye children. Have a nice time.